Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, nut-free, egg-free, low-fat, low-calorie, flourless, super tasty, super healthy. This is the easiest pancake ever made, but it tastes like an original crisp French crepe. So good! So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, pour 150 milliliters of soy milk into a non-stick pan. Next, turn the heat on, about medium to high heat. Once there's a thin skin coating after about 10 minutes, turn the heat to low to medium. And let it cook until there's no liquid milk moving around anymore, about 15 minutes. Loosen the edges gently to remove it from the pan. Now enjoy a super healthy and super easy crepe! Thanks for watching.